Hey, this is a prototype of the new Rubik's brand, Rubik's Cube. Yeah, the version 2. I got this prototype last summer, so I'm not sure how similar it is to the one that they're releasing, but I'm sure it's got some similarities. Just been doing a few solves with it. This isn't going to be like a puzzle review, because I don't know. No, I never do puzzle reviews. I'm just going to do a couple of solves. Hopefully that will give you an idea of how it turns. So, you can bear in mind that I average like 12 normally. Yeah. Whatever, yeah, I'll skip. Yeah, so that's the new Rubik's Cube.